Hey everyone, Miss Basic here. I'm just making this video to tell you that starting April 13th, we are going to officially start using online learning until they tell us we can go back to school. So that means checking it every single day. You'll have assignments every single day. And for one of our assignments, we're going to be using a website called KidBlog, which we have not used before in class. So I want to make this video to teach you how to use it. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to go to your Google Classroom. So I'm in Chili Peppers. So you'll click, and it'll be the same thing for Peapods as well. So you're going to click the first post that says blog post 1. You're going to click on it. You're going to read the directions. It's very, very important that you know what to do for this post. So you're going to, for example, respond to this prompt in 2 paragraphs with 4 sentences for each paragraph. Okay, cool. So then I'm going to go type in Clever in my Google search bar. I'm going to go to Clever Login. I'm going to log in like we normally do. It's going to log me in. I'm logged in as Samuel, so thank you. Shout out to Samuel. You're going to go to Z Basics page. You're then going to choose Kid Blog. So it's going to bring you to these 3 options. You're always going to choose writing standards unless I tell you to do something else. But you're going to choose writing standards because we are writing. And then what you're going to do is you're going to click New Post. So for example, let's say I'm writing a response to a prompt, do you like cats or dogs better? So I'm going to put in a title. Let's say it's cats versus dogs. I'm going to start typing, I like dogs better because, and I would obviously go on because it said 2 paragraphs of 4 sentences. And then I can go ahead and customize it. So I can pick the background color that I like. I can choose a font that I like. I can choose a different title font. So my title font will be this font now. And then I can do background texture, so different images in the background. So right now I have this like paint splatter situation going on. I can choose to have tree trunks, for example. And then I'm going to go to add header image. So this is where I can add an image. I'm going to go to headers. And it has a bunch of different pictures I can choose. So I'm going to look for one. Maybe I would look for one that has a picture of cats or dogs on it because it goes with my topic that I'm writing about. But I'm not seeing one really quickly, so I'm just going to choose a random one. Okay, so it's going to process, and I'm going to click Insert. And then ta-da, there we go. So once I'm all done, I proofread it. I read it a couple times to make sure that it looks right, and then I would click Publish. So I would click to Classmates, and I would click Publish. And then I can go to Writing Standards again. You can see all my posts in here. Let's say I want to update it, and I don't want my classmates to see it. I can just click Teacher, and just my teacher will see it. So sometimes I might ask you to comment something on somebody else's post, like asking a question or providing some suggestions. That's when I would want you to make sure that your classmates can see it. But if you just want me to see it, then you would click Teacher. Okay, and then you're all done. So that's how we use KidBlog. Okay, so one last thing I forgot to mention. You can add pictures into your blog post. So let's say I want to add a picture of a dog because my post is about a dog. So I would go to images, I would copy and paste it however you do that on your device, and then you would click paste, and you would, it's in your blog post now. And then you would click update again, update. And same thing, publish, and now I have an image in my blog post. Also, there will be times maybe when I do ask you to comment on other people's blog posts. I want to talk about what that means. So using school-appropriate language, using kind comments. If I see that you're commenting inappropriate things or unrelated topics or silly comments, they will, one, be deleted, and two, if it happens again, we can get parents involved and tell them that we're misusing online learning. So making sure that we're only commenting school-appropriate things and helpful comments, not silly or unhelpful comments. So if I'm back at the home page, I can look through my classmates and look at their blog posts if I want to. So let's say I want to look at LaJay's blog post. When she makes a blog, it would pop up. Or Baki's, for example. So this is how you would look at other people's blog posts if they have chosen to make the post public to their classmates. All right, so that is the end of the Kid Blog tutorial. If you have any other questions, let me know. If you, just for fun, want to make your first blog post about anything you want, that's fine. After spring break, on April 13th is when we will start using this officially. So we'll have regular centers work every day. So for our writer's workshop, this might be something that I will use for our writer's workshop assignments. All right, thanks. Let me know if you have any other questions.